In this particular series, we'll be understanding how much does it cost to make an app. This is the big question. This is the $1,000,000 question where most people get misguided. And in this particular series, I will be giving you a very clear picture on how much does it cost to make an app. So these are the 7 factors which influences making or deciding the cost of an app. What are those? They are app platform. If you have seen my earlier Knowledge Byte series, you know that what are the app platforms. It is a cross-platform, it is a single platform native, it is a PWA, it is a hybrid platform, blah blah. So app platform again comes with different things. Suppose you are using a single platform, that means Android, and you are choosing a freelancer or maybe a agency company, or maybe you are outsourcing to countries like India or maybe other countries, or maybe you have a premium requirement where you want to do hybrid or cross platform, or maybe for Android or maybe for iOS, so and also for website you have a premium requirement. So this factor influences app price. Second thing is app complexity. How many features your app has? 30, 20, 10, 5, 2. What does it mean? Algorithm, complexity, rules, regulation, algorithm, logics are required to bring complexity into an app. How? If it is a simple and you have just a e-commerce application, add the cart, then customer having its profile, 3-4 functions, then app cost will be less. The same e-commerce, you have a multi-complex requirement and you have advanced search functionality, advanced analytics, advanced customer data, and so on. It will be increased. And if is highly advanced complexity like this, it cost will go till 2-3 crores, 5 crores, 10 crores, 30 crores. Do you believe it? So app complexity is not about people ask me, sir, I want to develop my app in 20,000. What nonsense? What is that nonsense? This? Why 20,000? How do you decide 20,000? Do you know how much time required for developing one app? Let us discover it. Let us discover it. So project estimation, when you do based on certain things like iOS development, how much hourly rate, the senior developer, junior developer, middle level developer, 30 hours, 300 hours, how much cost, what is the special note, Android development, senior developer, junior developer, middle level developer, how much hour, 400 hours, how much cost per hour, and note. Have you ever asked it? You are saying 30,000. What nonsense is this? How do you know it is 20,000 your app? Have you ever asked project estimation cost, hourly rate, who will be developing, senior, junior, all these things? Just from somewhere you just heard a jargon word, app development happens in 20,000 and you are asking us? No, don't waste our time, because we are a very professional company where we do not compromise on quality, and I as a consultant also very organically work with estimation that senior developer somewhere deployed, middle level 7 to 8 years experience, 10-15 years experience, 2-3 years interns are required, and definitely at cost, at least in the very worst case also, it will not be less than $2,000. $2,000 means 1.6 lakh. A very small app also, if you create a 3-people team, a UI UX designer, a graphic designer, and all these things will create analysis, admin panel you create, web service, quality assurance testing, all these things. How many hours? Who will be doing? Is that a free cost? How much cost? How much is 20,000? How much is 30,000? Nothing. Even it is not able to pay a single candidate. So it is not about how much is app price. Why is app price this much? Because why does it cost? Because of a splash screen, app icon, login design, registration module, logins with all specification, how many hours required, see this here, hours for Android, hours for iOS, login with Facebook, we have to take this much. Internal registration, normal registration, 3 hours required. Forget password, logic 1.5 hours. And even a Mazdoor takes 500 rupees and 1.5 hours, 750 rupees. What do you think? We are Mazdoors? And home screen, then 4 hours. Post job or any category, or maybe the advanced title description, and so on. And the hours will be keep on adding. This question nobody asked. What about how much does it cost to make an app? So many detailed things. Basically, module-wise, hour-wise estimation. So you want to choose something from photo gallery, 24 hours, collectively all these things, just application feature. Crop photo, capturing with the camera, apply effects, or maybe this was example I am giving. And maybe for a restaurant, you are adding one recipe, or maybe subcategory. How much time is required? 8 hours. How much you will add per hour? Then the rate will come. Exactly, this is how the hourly rates for the Android and iOS. And people ask different questions that at what price you can do it. So I discussed about app complexity. Now we'll see the back end and servers. You are integrating with Google and Firebase. That is basically cheaper. If you try to do in the Mongoose DBs, definitely it will be a little costlier. If you go for Node, it is more costlier. It's all about technology, back-end specific answers. What about the user experience? User experience, if you need a basic level, the icons, your screens, how it looks. Suppose you open one app, how that beautifully looks, that is UI, user interface. If it is basics, it can be cheaper. If it is custom, you need a very pretty different level of requirement, high customized, cost will grow like anything. And integration you don't have, cost will be reduced. If you have integration with third party like API for maybe the Zoom or Google Meet for the video calls, or maybe with the payment gateway, etc., cost will increase. And maybe numbers of different API you need to integrate. It's a premium thing. What about chart option? Not required. You need a chart option in text. You need a chart option in video. Cost will be very high. Premium required. So animation, basic level, custom, very specific, and high-end. These all influences your cost. Then the big question is, what question I will be getting answer, or I will be throwing over the customer, or maybe I expect from customer to answer. These are the 6 questions, very much critical. I need to get the answer from my customer. Which platform does your target audience prefer? I will ask the customer that, do you know which platform most of the customers are using? It is Android in India. Then why should you invest in iOS? But I'm living in a metro city, and definitely they are probably 10-15% people are using. Then it's worth investing in there. So which platform does your target audience prefer? What is the product that you are trying to sell? So once we know your product, we can better define the user interface, better design how the things will look. If you are in a grocery market, or if you are in a restaurant, or maybe a barber shop, or maybe various other things like medicines, then definitely everywhere the screens, requirements, everything will be different. Are there any devices which are needed to integrate to make your app more responsive? If there will be a sorts of different level of integration, maybe the payment gateway, maybe the SMS gateway, maybe the mobile hardware like sensors, maybe camera, maybe fingerprint, then definitely your cost will increase. Is your app free or paid? How do you earn? How you will make money? If it is a free app, then be careful when it is free app. Then ask how much budget you have, because if it is a free, it will be in a charity thing, or maybe he is having something else in his mind. And what is the budget, you have to know. If it is a paid app, you can integrate AdMob, you can integrate different ad platforms so that they can earn. Does it have any in-app purchase? If they want to do e-commerce activity, in-app purchase, then definitely we need to integrate those payment gateway, maybe credit card support, maybe Paytm support, maybe Google Pay, maybe international gateway support, maybe anything else. You need to have a clarity. Does your app provide any advertisement? if you need any advertisement in the app, the requirement will be different. These are the some of the things mostly you need to understand, and then you can be decisive and you can help customer in understanding the deepest level question, $1 million question, that is how much does it cost to make an app. And thank you. I hope you enjoyed and learned from this session.